ABC Speaking Academy. Today, let's have a daily speaking sentences for kids. Are you ready? Let's begin. I like apples.
I like apples.
I have a cat.
I have a cat.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I can jump.
I can jump.
I love my mom.
I love my mom.
I see a bird.
I see a bird.
I have a toy.
I have a toy.
I like ice cream.
I like ice cream.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I play outside.
I play outside.
I read books.
I read books.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I can run fast.
I can run fast.
I love my dad.
I love my dad.
I have a bike.
I have a bike.
I like to swim.
I like to swim.
I am a good friend.
I am a good friend.
I see the moon.
I see the moon.
I have a ball.
I have a ball.
I like to draw.
I like to draw.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I love my dog.
I love my dog.
I can write.
I can write.
I am kind.
I am kind.
I see the sun.
I see the sun.
I play games.
I play games.
I read stories.
I read stories.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I drink milk.
I drink milk.
I like pizza.
I like pizza.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
I play with my toys.
I play with my toys.
I see the stars.
I see the stars.
I can sing.
I can sing.
I love my sister.
I love my sister.
I have a crayons.
I have a crayons.
I like to dance.
I like to dance.
I am funny.
I am funny.
I see a plane.
I see a plane.
I have a book.
I have a book.
I play soccer.
I play soccer.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I love my brother.
I love my brother.
I have a pencil.
I have a pencil.
I like to paint.
I like to paint.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I see a car.
I see a car.
I have a backpack.
I have a backpack.
Thanks for listening.